Alrighty, so another quick update on the Jiffy Garden. Today is April 7th. So the lettuce and tomato are a month old in a couple days. The garden in general is a month old in like 4 days. I'm starting to get a little concerned with size. This is a green pepper. I can't really tell if it looks wilty or not, and I have been keeping it watered, so I can tell it's watered. It's damp, it's heavy. Look at the green pepper on that. Look at that monster. There's another one over here too. This one. Look at this. And these are a little older. The green peppers will be 3 months old. So actually they're like 9 weeks old right now. 9 weeks and 3 days. So these green peppers, this is what you get in 2 months. In a cup, indoors. I don't know how much longer these can go in these small cups. They're smaller, the 18 ounce I think. I wish I would have started them in these. The 24 ounce, this is a green pepper. And these I just started. These are like a week, 2 weeks. They were the ones that were in the Jiffy greenhouse in previous videos. The beets look good. Getting some good root development. So I'm pretty happy with how everything's going. I'm a little concerned I started a little early. My tomatoes too, I'm not really sure what's going on with the tomatoes. It's got root development. Not great, but it's there. And it looks like it's got a pretty healthy stem on it. But they look like they're drying out. And they're not dry. There's moisture in that cup. So I'm wondering if it's the tap water I'm using, or, do tomatoes like different kind of, is it the chlorine in my water? City water. Anyway, I'm not really sure what's going on with the tomatoes. The one I've got in the bucket, this one, is starting to demonstrate the same kind of wilting characteristics. I don't know what's going on. And this one's watering from the bottom. And I don't think it was in a peat pot, if I remember right. I think I grew this from a seed. Carrots are looking pretty good. Those carrots, I think, 18th will be a month, so they're truly just over 2 weeks old. 2 weeks on the carrots. That green pepper's from the first ones, the first batch, so that's, what did we figure that out? 9 weeks. And this is the potato. And the potato is going to be 2 months old in 2 weeks. So it's a month and a half, 6 weeks old on the potato. Our blueberries and raspberries are doing good. So anyway, just wanted to give you a hey. Anybody knows what's going on with my tomatoes and green peppers? I'm starting to think it might be size. They're outgrowing their cups. And it might be water for the tomatoes. I don't, this one feels kind of light. But it doesn't look too bad. I mean, the color's good. It's got roots. Here's another one. Looking pretty burnt, man. When I planted them, I can't remember if I used any of the when I put them in these cups, I can't remember if I had the fertilizer. I can't think of the name of it right now. The Super Thrive. Can't remember if I put those with Super Thrive. So did I burn them, or is it my tap water? Am I overwatering? So just don't think it's. I don't think it's underwatered, man. They just feel heavy. Look at the moisture in the cup. So anyway, guess I need help with my tomatoes. So I did a little bit of research on these tomatoes that look kind of burnt, and it might be too much nitrogen in the potting mix. I mentioned previously that it might be chlorine in the water. I don't know, haven't had it tested. But I flushed them out kind of heavy, hoping it would wash some of the excess nitrogen out of the dirt. So we'll see what happens. They don't look any worse. I did that a couple days ago. So I just thought I'd drop a quick FYI. So I don't know if it's chlorine in the water or if it's too much nitrogen in the potting mix. We got the beets looking really good. Green peppers are looking good. These two right here are really kind of popping. Our blueberries and raspberries are looking good. This one raspberry looks a little weak. It's kind of stunted. Leaf lettuce is going. Zucchinis are looking pretty healthy. They're starting to bud zucchinis, I think. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. These should be able to all go outside now in a couple of weeks. And I don't think they're going to outgrow their environment currently, so we're looking good. Really pretty happy with the carrots. They're about 7 weeks old now. Green pepper. Potato. Pretty excited. Girl, Mike, man, I'm telling you.